Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that might seem small but can have a big impact on your health. Pumpkin seeds. Yes, those little green gems that you might have overlooked while carving pumpkins or snacking during Halloween. Trust me, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is one of the easiest ways to boost your nutrition, and I'm going to tell you why. First off, let's talk about what pumpkin seeds are. They're technically called pepitas, and they're packed with nutrients. Just a handful of these seeds can provide you with a great source of protein, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Seriously, they're like little powerhouses. If you're looking to up your protein intake without diving into another chicken breast or protein shake, pumpkin seeds are a fantastic option. They contain about 7 grams of protein per ounce. That's pretty impressive for a snack. Now, let's get into the good stuff. What makes pumpkin seeds so special? One of the standout features is their rich magnesium content. Magnesium is essential for so many bodily functions, from regulating muscle and nerve function to supporting your immune system. Did you know that many people are actually deficient in magnesium? By adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, you're giving your body a boost of this crucial mineral. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly half of your daily magnesium needs. How easy is that? But wait, there's more. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with antioxidants. These little guys help combat free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. If you're like me and you want to feel good inside and out, this is a major plus. Plus, they contain zinc, which is great for your skin, immune system, and even your mood. Ever heard of seasonal affective disorder? Well, zinc can help keep your spirits up during those gloomy months. Now, you might be wondering how to actually incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. The options are endless. You can sprinkle them on salads for that extra crunch, toss them into your morning oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even make your own pumpkin seed butter. Just throw some roasted pumpkin seeds into a food processor and blend until smooth. It's delicious and a great alternative to traditional nut butters. And let's not forget about snacking. Instead of reaching for those chips or sugary snacks, grab a handful of pumpkin seeds. They're satisfying, nutritious, and will keep you feeling full longer. You can also roast them with your favorite seasonings. Think garlic powder, paprika, or even a little cinnamon and sugar for a sweet twist. Trust me, once you start experimenting, you'll be hooked. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but will I really see results? Here's the thing. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet isn't a magic bullet, but it can definitely make a difference over time. You might notice improved energy levels, better digestion, and even clearer skin. Plus, knowing you're fueling your body with something so nutritious feels empowering. So if you haven't already, I challenge you to add pumpkin seeds to your diet this week. Just a handful a day can make a world of difference. Whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, improve your magnesium levels, or just find a new tasty snack, pumpkin seeds are the way to go. Give it a try and let me know how you feel. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any creative ways you've found to use pumpkin seeds. Let's start this health journey together, one seed at a time.